Ki arngut ki menteri rangba jok sarkar jela kata oba presiden tensong berba snyo balang dhar hne kesni kala lum ya ke jingïalang kaba kerpang bat kinongelam jong ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association hakaba hagni ka jingïalang nagalang ki company bapenya ya ki dobilat hakjela kila pedang ya ke jingdawa jong ka MCTODA kabadai halor kador kit kabadai hakador khandai tyngka shiton ha ka 4 kilometer ya gani ke jingïalang lap kli da uba presiden tensong hakaba uba snyo balang dhar nangta Deputy Commissioner ke East Janta Hills District USP ke West Janta Hills District nangta kumjuru USP ke East Janta Hills District harangkat kinongelam ke MCTODA bat ke wei ke association ke laya don lang habakaran bikinong thok ko bo nakaliang sembut menteri rangba ke jela ba snyo balang dhar ulaong bak sarkar jela kalapdiang ya ke jingdawa jong ke MCTODA.
One of our main demand, that is to have a fixed rate of ₹9. It has been, the government has approved, and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge home himself has taken the decision that it might take 1 day or two. They'll come up with a new notification that will be ₹9 per kilometer per metric ton within Meghalaya. That is for the intrastate. So this is one of the agenda which the government has listened to us, including the cement factories has anonymously decided that they will comply or abide by the government decision. And another one is about the coal loading or the cement loading trucks, which the association have demanded that there should be a quota. But for now, there are around 80 trucks. That is the quota for the local truckers. But after the deliberation with the Chief Minister, as per demand, the trucks, the cement factories has agreed with an extra 20 trucks. It has come to 100, but our demand is it should be 120. So about this particular agenda, it will be decided soon in a meeting that will be chaired by the Deputy Chief Minister himself again. Because it has taken lots of time in discussing about these two issues or these two demands. So the rest of our pending demands, we have a separate demand that is which we will be having a sitting with the Deputy Chief Minister home. This is based on the arrest made to the members of MCTODA, where we will be demanding that their cases should be dropped, and also few cases that have been registered for a few members from East Giant Hills, and including the incident at Morankenang, where we are demanding for compensation for those members of MCTODA, including the public who were injured in the incident. That was that was on 5th of November 2025, where few of the members and including the villagers were injured in that incident.
From the
full gun blazing today to enforce the notification passed by the government on 13 passed by the government, like giving the ₹7 per ton minimum to maximum 11 ton. Then from our side, we asked the company in front of the government, our deputy chief ministers, both the deputy chief ministers, that they always want to enforce this rule 7 to 11. Why? Because they want to squeeze us. That will take the lowest rate. Then from our side, we said, now till now you are squeezing us at the lowest rate. You're giving us 7 to 11. Why not give us now at the 11 rupees? Because according to the times. But after a long discussion, then we said that to avoid all confrontation, if you don't want us to give the 11 rupees per ton, you should fix us a fixed rate. Don't give this rate 7 to 11, because this will give a chance, an open door for them to squeeze the stakeholders who are having trucks, the drivers and the truck owners. So at the end of the day, we are happy with both the Deputy Chief Minister. They understand the problem, that this is a very risky thing to pass. Now in front of the Commissioner of Transport, he had passed within there itself that now they have to fix a fixed rate, that is 9 rupees per ton, not to go by this 7 to 11 rupees. I said, regarding you said, are you happy? Till date, we are getting the rate, but now we want there's another the point that to be discussed. Since our truck, from time to time, especially our truck, who are locals mean within the state. When we say local, mean not that we said that we won't allow the truck from outside. Now the truck which is used by the cement factory, their truck and the truck from outside is 2,000, 1,000 per day. But for our truck, they are giving just mere 80 truck per day. That to the Jangil Truck Owner Association and the East Jangil Truck Owner Association. So now 2,000, 1,000 they are loading, 80 truck they are giving to us. You say that, are we happy? We are not happy with that. We are fighting with that. We tell them that you have to upgrade, because coming this side, coming in the state, they set up the factory, mean they have to give us preference first. Yeah, we are not saying that we will carry all the goods, they won't carry. But if we get only a mere 120, 200, 300, also we're happy. There is 1,800, there are 1,700 carried by them. We didn't have any objection. So regarding this thing, the cement factory, in front of the deputy CM, both deputy CM, they said that they will sit a meeting first, and the deputy CM both the deputy CM assure us that on Monday they should come with a decision. If not coming with decision on Monday, that means we will, as usual, we won't back down from that.
No, 1 week. They have asked for 1 week time. They have asked for another 1 week time to decide.
Monday.
21st time. So where the Deputy Chief Minister Transport will be the chairman, and where we will decide where these companies, because they are now going back to their respective places, and they will discuss about our demands. But we stick to our demands that it should be 120.
Suppose
the quota for the local truckers.
Meetings was held between the cement associations and all the 3 transport associations, and the meeting is it's a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very, very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today, and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week.
So what are the decisions arrived at?
Decision we take, number 1 is we have put the fare is, before it was between 7 to 11, and today we decide only one fare, rupees 9 per kilometer.
Okay.
And all the transporters are happy with that.
What about this 9 rupees is for?
Type of roads, but within Meghalaya. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer within Meghalaya.
What type of roads?
Yes.
What about loading?
Loading.
Because they
No,
want
we didn't talk about loadings. We are talking about loading.
So,
That it falls accordingly.
so other areas where agreement were arrived at?
Okay, you see, within the state of Meghalaya, the same rate will prevail. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer. And the loading or loading is different subjects.
So they were demanding notified routes.
No, that is not yet there. You see, that is not yet decided. We are decided about the within the state of Meghalaya.
do they agree or not? This
No, they are happy, they are happy.
What about
And beyond the state, within Meghalaya border, and beyond the Meghalaya, so based on them between the transporter and the cement association, they will discuss the coding as per the previous market, I think. Beyond Meghalaya,
any other agenda discussed?
everything is fine. So yes, there is some part is left because we demand 120 trucks per day quota for the local people. So that's little bit stocks. 80 is already done, and 100 they are agree. So we are pushing another 20. So the cement associations request time for another 1 week, and we will meet again after 1 week.
So the next date fixed?
21st of November we said again.
this rate was
Demand 120. As of now is 80, and we demand 120, and they propose 100. So again they request us 1 week's time from the cement association. So we will sit on the 21st again. We will discuss the matter finally.
this rate is
To be notified by us. We have decided today.